Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to Spoken Hindi Tips by मीनाक्षी. एंड आज हम देखेंगे कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कैसे यूज़ होता है हिंदी में. ओके, सो विल सी हाउ टू यूज़ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इन हिंदी. ओके, या सो व्हाट इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस? Simple present tense is when a verb is used to describe an action that happens regularly or to describe habits. So in Hindi, we use verb plus ta or ti or te, depending on singular or plural or male or female, and the sentence will end with who or hai or ho or hai, depending on the first person, second person, or third person. Okay, so verbs like if you say I go, so मैं जाता हूँ. If you say he goes, so वो जाता है. Okay, so ta is used in simple present. If you say they go, so वो लोग जाते हैं और वे जाते हैं. It becomes like this in Hindi. Okay, so let's continue and let's look at the examples. Yeah, so now we'll see first person singular. Like if you talk about I. So when you say I go to office every day. In Hindi, मैं रोज ऑफिस जाती हूँ. For females, if the subject is a male, मैं रोज ऑफिस जाता हूँ. मैं रोज ऑफिस जाता हूँ. Okay, the second example, I don't drink coffee. In Hindi, मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पीती हूँ और मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पीती. You can put who, you can't, if you don't want to put, you can leave it also. So it's not mandatory to put who here. You can just say मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पीती और मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पीता if the subject is a male. Okay. And yeah, so I don't drink coffee. In Hindi it becomes मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं पीती. Okay. Now coming to first person plural, that is we. So when we say we go to office every day, in Hindi हम रोज ऑफिस जाते हैं. हम रोज ऑफिस जाते हैं. So if there are many people or whenever you talk about plural, you have to use जाते, means they. Okay, so जाते and हैं because many people are there, so it will end with हैं. हम रोज ऑफिस जाते हैं. Second example, we play cricket on Sundays. In Hindi, हम रविवार को क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. Okay, ते. We don't say खेलता, we have to use ते because we are talking about plural. We. हम रविवार को क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. Now coming to second person singular, that is you. So the first example, do you know Hindi? In Hindi it becomes क्या आप हिंदी जानते हैं. That is formal you. Okay, so क्या आप हिंदी जानते हैं. Now the second example, do you drink coffee? In Hindi, क्या तुम कॉफ़ी पीते हो. That is informal you. Okay, informal, if you want to speak the same sentence with formal you, it becomes क्या आप कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. Okay, so the informal sentence is क्या तुम कॉफ़ी पीते हो. Okay, now coming to second person plural, that is you guys. So the first sentence, do you guys play chess? In Hindi it becomes क्या आप लोग चेस खेलते हैं. That is formal you guys. Okay, means when they are senior to you or when you want to give respect, you can use आप. But if it is informal, then you can say क्या तुम लोग चेस खेलते हो. क्या तुम लोग चेस खेलते हो. That is for informal sentences. Okay, now coming to the second example, do you guys like music? Do you guys like music? In Hindi it becomes क्या तुम लोग संगीत पसंद करते हो. क्या तुम लोग संगीत पसंद करते हो. That is informal. When the people are younger to you or they are your friends, you can use तुम लोग. But if you want to use this sentence in like formal you, if the group is a senior group or people are elder to you, then you can use आप. Okay, the same sentence in formal situation becomes क्या आप लोग संगीत पसंद करते हैं? Okay. Now coming to third person singular masculine, that is if the subject is a male or a masculine subject. Okay, so the first example, he goes to church every day. In Hindi, वह रोज चर्च जाता है. वह रोज चर्च जाता है. Okay, जाता, ta will come because it's a male. Okay, now the second example, he doesn't read books. In Hindi, वह किताबें नहीं पढ़ता है. वह किताबें नहीं पढ़ता है. So again it's पढ़ता, not पढ़ती. For females we'll use ती. For males you have to use ता, पढ़ता. Okay, so वह किताबें नहीं पढ़ता है. Okay. Now talking about third person singular feminine when the subject is a female. Okay, so the first example, she often cleans the house. In Hindi, वह अक्सर घर की सफाई करती है. Okay, अक्सर means often means अक्सर in Hindi. Okay, and सफाई करना is cleaning. To clean is सफाई करना. Okay, so the sentence becomes वह अक्सर घर की सफाई करती है. So when the subject is a female you have to use करती. If the subject is a male you have to use करता है. Okay, now the second example, she sleeps at 10 p.m. In Hindi it becomes वह रात 10 बजे सोती है. वह रात 10 बजे सोती है. Okay, now coming to third person plural, that is they. Okay, so the first example, they work on Sundays also. In Hindi it becomes वे रविवार को भी काम करते हैं. So also in English, in Hindi it is भी. Okay, वे रविवार को भी काम करते हैं. And in spoken Hindi sometimes for वे we also use वो लोग. Okay, so the same sentence we can also say like this, वो लोग रविवार को भी काम करते हैं. Okay, so वे and वे लोग is interchangeably used in Hindi, spoken Hindi. Okay, now the second example, they leave at 6 p.m. In Hindi it becomes वे शाम 6 बजे निकलते हैं. वे शाम 6 बजे निकलते हैं. Okay, you can also say this sentence like this, like वे शाम में 6 बजे निकलते हैं. Okay, yeah, so now what are the important points which you have to remember from this video? So what you have to remember is in simple present tense or present indefinite, most of these sentences will have verb plus ta or ti or te. So for masculine subject you have to use ta, for feminine subject you have to use ti, and for plural when the subject is a plural then you have to use te. Okay, like khata, jati, khelte, like this. Okay. So thanks for watching guys. If any questions are there, you can ask me in the comment section. See you guys again in the next video. And yeah, if you like this content, please do subscribe. Okay? Yeah, bye-bye.